This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap for Friday, September 21st. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. In business news today, Vice Chairman Donald Cohn said that inflation expectations are less volatile in countries whose central banks have numerical targets for price gains, suggesting his doubts about the practice have eased. Europe's manufacturing and service industries grew at the slowest pace in 2 years this month after a sudden increase in credit costs hurt banks, adding to evidence that economic growth is waning. In other news, Royal Dutch Shell plc in Saudi Arabia will spend $7 billion to more than double the size of their Texas oil refinery, the biggest U.S. expansion in fuel production in 3 decades. Joint venture will boost capacity at the Port Arthur oil refinery by 325,000 barrels a day, making it the largest in the U.S. by 2010. General Motors and the United Auto Workers Union continued to discuss the automaker's proposal to pay the union to take on retiree health expenses, even though GM's latest offer on the issue was rejected by the UAW president. Spokesman said that negotiators have wrapped up work on all non-economic issues and are trying to figure out the health care question. AT&T announced that it will make a $750 million investment in broadband infrastructure in the state of Florida as it seeks to attract customers from traditional cable companies in the race to beam TV and high-speed internet into homes. AT&T said that service, which is offered in more than 20 cities around the country. Hard Rock International said it plans to open its second cafe in Las Vegas, this time on the Las Vegas Strip, across the street from the $7.4 billion City Center mega resort. In earnings news today, Goldman Sachs Group posting a quarterly profit of $2.85 billion, or $6.13 a share. That's up from a year ago. Oracle earned $840 million, or 16 cents a share for the 3 months ended August 31st. And Nike reporting income of $569.7 million, or $1.12 a share for the quarter, up from the same period in the year-ago period. Scheduled economic reports next week include consumer confidence, existing home sales, new home sales, durable goods orders, gross domestic product, the Help Wanted Index, personal income and spending, the Chicago Purchasing Managers Index, and construction spending. Some of the earnings reports next week include Charles River Associates, Lennar, Red Hat, Stride Rite, Bed Bath & Beyond, Neiman Marcus, Christopher & Banks, KB Homes, Rite Aid, as well as Vail Resorts as we approach the end of earnings season. Stocks in the news today. Apogee Enterprises reporting a 56% jump in second quarter earnings to $11.5 million, or 39 cents a share. CKE Restaurants said second quarter net income fell to $9.4 million, or 15 cents a share. And Bombay Company fell 61.1% after the home furnishings retailer filed for Chapter 11 status in a U.S. bankruptcy court in Texas. And that's the Market Wrap on this Friday, September 21st. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.